My name is Charles Tran, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Novice Builder.
In the last video, I went over soil compacting to create a solid foundation. Now, it's time for a crucial next step: plumbing. A well-planned plumbing system is essential for proper water flow and long-term durability. I'm making sure everything is installed correctly to prevent leaks, drainage issues, and costly repairs down the line. This includes carefully laying out the pipes, securing all connections, and ensuring proper slope for drainage. This time-lapse gives you a quick look at the process, but if you want a full step-by-step breakdown, check out the detailed tutorial linked below, or by subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. Now, here's the time-lapse for plumbing. just like that, the plumbing is done. With everything in place, construction can move forward smoothly. Up next, vapor barriers and rebars to reinforce the foundation. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete playlist, or by subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.